The real uniqueness of Atlantic over the years has been this commitment to having a real balance of packaging distribution as well as value-added manufacturing. And our value-added manufacturing, which represents roughly 30% of our total revenues, is something that we're always investing in. And that's been a part of the history of Atlantic for decades.
We're able to really cover all different types of corrugated solutions, from really high volume, regular slotted container boxes, all the way up to jumbo boxes with our different capabilities across all our different equipment. Really what makes it special is that we're able to integrate it into our full service model within the distribution network. So you can kind of take what would be a manufacturer's corrugated type price point, but integrate it into a distribution service model, which is really a kind of a hybrid system that is unmatched in the industry.
We are big enough to support, Fortune 500 companies out there, the ones that really require, high level of service, high volume, multiple deliveries, daily deliveries, whatever it may be. But we have that extra, touch where, the smallest concerns are big concerns for us.
At Atlantic Packaging, we're really able to put everything together into a finished package for the customer. Integrating our design services in Charlotte, our testing capabilities in Charlotte with the manufacturing capabilities, we're able to give customers end-of-line prototypes very quickly. We're able to offer a total solution to the customer that's going to design around that customer's needs for that product, whether it be trying to reduce damage, we're wanting to improve their freight rates, we're wanting to make it a more sustainable package and integrate some of our innovative sustainable solutions. It's definitely where we can put that all together into a great solution for the customer.
We're just very service oriented, and we're very focused on servicing customers at a really high level. And now we have these capabilities in-house, and we're excited to bring it to this market.